Everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. So this is going to be my third layout that I'm making for this month. And I'm using that photo, about the 12 days without chocolate. And you guys have been so kind in making sure that I'm being, politically correct and not offending anyone. So even those that are Catholic were laughing and thought it was funny. So I am using a Scrap Generation sketch, but I'm not showing it because, to be honest with you, I don't know if it's a free one or not, but I wanted to do something different. And you'll see that it is full of a lot of little stars that I punch out, or I use my die to make all these stars. So it had this line that went down of all these different papers and different dimensions. And the plaid is, I know it's 6 inches wide, but this first paper up here at the top didn't quite, I didn't quite have 6 inches, but I thought, well, that's okay because I'm going to be covering it up anyway with some embellishment. So I wasn't too worried about it. And when I printed out this photo, I just kept so the photo itself is like a 4x4, but I printed on a 4x6 photo paper. So I just kept the photo paper intact, and that's what I'm attaching this yellow washi. And it's just yellow with little white dots on it, and I put it at the top and the bottom, and then I put this pink paper in the middle. And my thought was, I could do some journaling if I wanted to, but to be honest with you, I didn't. And I think I'm going to just leave it blank because nothing really inspires me at this point. So I'm just going to leave it as is. It's to me, it's like a place for your eye to rest, because once I get all the stars down, it's pretty, it gets to be pretty busy, but I think it's beautiful. I love the way it turned out. All right, so I'm going to go through this stash that I have here over on my right. I'm going to try to use up as much of the stuff that I had pulled for my kit. What I did is, I made a page kit for each one of my layouts. And then if I had anything left over, I kind of added it to the next page. So that's why there's so much in there. Now, this little piece that I'm putting down now was actually from I think they call it a zip strip for Close to My Heart. So it's like the branding strip. So I wasn't intending on using it, but I really needed something, or I felt like it needed something to kind of break up, the photo from the papers. And I know I went through this really fast because I spent a lot of time punching out these stars. I have a lot of star dies in all different sizes. And I also have star punches, but I don't think I used any of my punches. So I'll show you the die here in just a minute. But anyway, so this that I'm putting down now is actually foam tape, and it was it's harder to get off than I would like, but it is so inexpensive. It's like the price you pay, So anyway, I'm going to put that up there. So now you're not going to really tell that there's that one piece isn't 6 inches. And I have these little plus signs I'm going to put down. I also am going to pull out that wooden circle, and it says yay on it. And but I don't add any sequins or anything, and I'm pretty much done. There are close-ups at the end, and here's the die I was telling you about. So this is how I take everything out. I just use my pokey tool, and they get pretty small. I got that at Simon Says Stamps. Oh yeah, here's my title. And I was saying, well, I'm not sure what kind of title I can get from it, but when I saw it, I just knew that Love This was going to be perfect. So even with 2 exclamation points. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and close this out and I'm going to leave links to all the ladies that are participating this month, including the 2 designers that we've invited. And I want to make sure that you go check out their channels. They are absolutely wonderful. But stay tuned for the close-ups. And I have a bonus. I have a bonus page. So there'll be another video this week. All right, guys. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.